Life, wisdom.
So what a doctor of chiropractic will do, he'll palpate, which means to kind of feel of that area there. And then once he figures out where the misalignment is, he can make a very gentle adjustment. And when that happens, it takes a lot of that pressure off, and the person will oftentimes get immediate relief. So it's very effective in helping people with headaches. Miss Karina's got her a little bit of a subluxation right here in this area. So we're just gently turning her head, and then a little bit of a click there. And you may have heard that noise there. Karina, how are you doing? That feel good?
Felt really good.
Felt really good. And oftentimes the person will relate to you that they immediately had an immediate sense of relief. Just tension, they kind of feel a wave of relaxation go through their body. It's a very pleasant experience. Wonderful. So that is one of the ways that a chiropractor can actually go about helping people with headaches.